outside or even looked out a window over the last few weeks, you'll know we have had quite a bit of rain and snow in our area. But is the latest rainfall good enough to officially bring us out of our drought conditions? I spoke with the California Department of Water Resources to get a handle on where we are with all this wet weather.
There's no denying what the rain and snow that we've gotten in the state of California here in December is phenomenal.
David Rosardo is the manager of hydrology for the California Department of Water Resources.
We've all kind of gotten used to this drier condition, and so when we see what are really pretty good winter storms, we go, wow, this is amazing. This must be record setting. We had this atmospheric river at the end of October that really inundated a lot of communities with intense rainfall. And then we've seen that again, recently here in the Southern California area. There's these short durations that impact us, and then it goes dry for very long. And it can be very confusing to hear, well, we're still in a drought when streets are flooded.
But David says all of this rain did very little to bring California out of our drought. So how do you reconcile seeing all of this heavy rain and still being in a drought? David says the science is clear.
That is climate change. It's here, it's now. It's not in the future. This is what we're dealing with, is the extremes from back and forth, week to week, month to month.
Andy says it doesn't look like it's going to get any better if this is the last of the rain.
There's a lot of guidance out there that suggests January, February, and March could be below average, dry and warm, which would just really exacerbate the drought.
So how much rain do we need? The Department of Water Resources says the state averages about 21 inches of rain a year. In our last water year, from October 1st through September 30th, the state of California has only seen 11 inches of rain. That's more than 10 inches left to go. David says with the expected dry conditions that's coming, the drought outlook may be bleak.
We're still far from talking about if the drought is over. Probably best to have that conversation in April and May when we see what the winter really did bring us.
And so we wait, hoping for more rain and snow. Kirsten Holmes, News 8.